Hi, welcome back. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models in a very simple language. So, in the previous video, we started learning generative AI. So, what is generative AI? Anything which AI model can generate comes under generative AI. So, what all things basically AI can generate, right? AI can generate now images, they can generate videos. Videos are nothing but collection of images, right? Then they can generate text, they can generate voice, they can generate code, right? Uh, you ask ChatGPT to write a code to create such and such website, it will generate it for you, and it can also generate 3D videos. So basically, where does generative AI lie? It's a part of deep learning. So generative AI is a subset of deep learning. So those neural networks that started generating something is what we started calling it as generative AI. So what's the difference between traditional AI and generative AI? So in traditional AI, we used to give the data as well as the label. There was a model and the output was again the label, right? So we use, for example, cat versus dog. So we gave lots of uh, images of cats as well as dogs, and we labeled them. Then model figured out the pattern, and then for our new image it labeled that this is a cat or this is a dog, right? In case of natural language processing, it predicted the next word, right? That's the thing. But in generative AI, what happened is that we don't give labeled output, we give some unstructured content as an input. Generative AI learns some pattern in that unstructured content, and then it produces altogether a new content, right? It's so that might be real or that might be fake, but mostly it's fake, and that's why the content which AI model generates is also known as synthetic data. So we'll continue to talk about generative AI in our next videos.